Are you one of the 1 in 5 Americans who's suffering from hair loss or thinning hair? Well, if you are, then this is the video for you. Is your hair getting thinner and thinner? Maybe you're finding more hair on the floor of your shower than ever before. Well, thinning hair doesn't just affect men, it also affects millions of women. And it's important for you to know that there are solutions that are holistic and don't involve needles or surgery. So let's go over 4 of the most effective holistic ways to thicken your hair. Hands down, the most effective and easiest way to thicken your hair is with low light laser treatments. And my favorite one is the iRestore Hair Growth System. Thank you so much to iRestore for sponsoring this video. Low light laser therapy is a scientifically proven way to thicken the hair by utilizing the energy from the lasers. It's kind of similar to a plant absorbing sunlight to grow. The light energy from low light lasers is actually absorbed by the hair follicles, and this increases cellular activity and causes thinning hair to get thicker. The iRestore system utilizes 282 medical grade lasers and LEDs to deliver safe and effective laser light to your scalp. Now, this is similar to some of the low light laser therapies that you may see in doctor's offices, but you can actually do this in the comfort of your own home. Now, because of its unique design, it can cover a maximum amount of your scalp. You do it 25 minutes a day, 3 days a week, and you can see results in as little as 3 months. Now, unlike the lasers that we do in my office to treat skin, this is a completely painless laser. It is a cold laser, so you're not feeling anything. So while you're undergoing the treatment, you could be watching TV, you could be reading a book, or you could be looking at videos on YouTube. This FDA-cleared, clinically proven device is non-invasive, hands-free, and easy to use. Now, the results may vary, but iRestore stands behind their product with a 12-month money-back guarantee. So if you want to use technology to power your body's own regenerative properties, then low light laser therapies are a great option. Click the link below to learn more about laser devices. And for a limited time, you can save hundreds of dollars and receive a free gift with purchase during iRestore's Black Friday sale. Use the coupon code DRYOUN, that's DRYOUN, to get your discount. When you think about using topical treatments for your hair, you may think about Rogaine or minoxidil. But did you know that there is a natural oil that you can apply to your scalp that studies show is just as effective as Rogaine or minoxidil? Topical rosemary oil has been shown in studies to be just that. And the best thing about it is it actually causes less irritation of the skin than minoxidil. Now, we believe that topical rosemary oil works because it helps to increase circulation to the scalp and it's anti-inflammatory. Now, it's very simple to use topical rosemary oil to help thicken your hair. Just take 5 drops of the rosemary oil, mix it with the carrier oil like coconut oil, and massage it into the scalp after you shower. Some people will wash the oil out, but most people actually will leave the oil in because it's nice and moisturizing to your hair anyway. Make sure that if you do rinse it out, that you leave it in your scalp for at least 5 to 10 minutes for it to do its job. Now, there are also commercially available shampoos and conditioners that also contain rosemary and rosemary oil, and this may be an easier way to get similar results. Did you know that thinning hair can also be due to various nutritional deficiencies? If you're deficient in certain types of vitamins like vitamin D, if you're deficient in zinc, or even if you're deficient in iron, this can cause your hair to get thinner. So should you go to the natural food store and buy all of these different nutritional supplements individually? No. There are several fantastic all-in-one nutritional supplements that are specifically made for people with thinning hair. And these supplements vary and they are different depending on whether you're male or female and whether you're premenopausal or postmenopausal. Take a peek at my online store, younbeauty.com, if you're interested in looking at some of these. Using a derma roller on your scalp has been shown in multiple studies to help thicken your hair and encourage hair growth. Now, we don't really know exactly why it works. Is it possible that maybe it creates increased circulation to the scalp? But it does appear to be most effective when you combine derma rolling with a topical product like minoxidil or even rosemary oil. Now, it's best to discuss this with a dermatologist prior to starting derma rolling of your scalp. But if you do want to try it at home, follow these simple steps. Make sure to clean your Derma Roller with alcohol prior to and after using it. The sweet spot for needle length is about 0.5 millimeters to 1 millimeter. If you use a Derma Roller with needles smaller than that, it probably won't really do anything. And if the needles are longer than that, now you have the potential risk of scarring, and this is something you'd want to discuss with a dermatologist prior to starting it. You want to start the Derma Rolling in areas of your scalp where the hair is thinning 1 to 2 times per week. But you have to be very careful, because what you don't want to do is actually accidentally pull the hair out when you're doing it. So once again, talk with a dermatologist prior to starting this if you want to be extra safe. So these are 4 of the top holistic ways to thicken your hair effectively. But if you're interested in learning more, take a peek at this video right up here where I go over even more about how to thicken your hair holistically. And if you've been enjoying my videos, please subscribe to my channel. And always remember, eat real food, use clean skincare, and only consider actual plastic surgery as a last resort. Head over to this URL right here and in the caption below and use the coupon code DRYOUN, DRYOUN, to get $350 off your purchase of iRestore Professional.